Hey guys, Joe here. Today I'm going to be restoring the headlights on my MK4 Jetta. You can see they're very hazy, they're not very clear anymore, they're kind of yellowed. So what I did was I bought this Rain-X headlight restoration kit from Walmart. It was $17. I've never used a restoration kit on headlights before. All of my other cars I just replaced the headlights if they're bad, but because this car was only 200 bucks, I'm not giving it that luxury. So I've got my Rain-X kit, I've got the area around the headlights masked off, I've got my drill. We're gonna see how well this thing works.
Two damn phones, Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam, but figured I should stick to dro. Backwoods overload, don't like to smoke them swishers, ho. If you hit my liquor store, it's 50 cents for single post. Said she wanna roll with me and smoke up all my weed. I said, baby, just buy that cheese, cause you can't smoke for free. I got some love but no money, babe, buy me a Fiji. She said you need a job, bitch, fuck a job, I still get cheese.
2 cell phones, Mr. Motherfucker Dot. Mr. I be on that block. 1207, fucker out. They hear my name, they see my squad. Rolling dope up on the spot. I'm with your bitch, she on my job. Ain't got no time to love a dot. Got niggas mad, my flow so hot. Got niggas mad, my squad won't stop. We in the game, won't take no loss. I'm sipping water out the vault. Got lean all in my fucking Sprite. Turning up on fucking sight. Mr. Kenny Powers, bout to take your girlfriend home tonight, bitch.
And I'm smoking on that window when you see it out the window. Got a dusty OT, looking by me, live a simple. Growing up, I was always in the middle.
Alright guys, here they are with the protective coating on. They look brand new, so I guess, like I said earlier, I mean it's a $17 kit at Walmart. It's super easy if you have a drill. It's a lot cheaper than buying new headlights, and they cleaned up really well. They look brand new. So thank you for watching, guys. If you want to see more content of me working on the Jetta and me doing stuff, just make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you go follow my Instagram, Central PA Cars. Thank you so much for watching, guys.